Get a feel for the 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Here's a super efficient RAV4 Hybrid that's ready to help you navigate your future in comfort and style. This small SUV delivers all-wheel drive capability, the latest in safety and driver assistance tech, a refined and flexible interior that makes hauling cargo easy, and the power to add excitement to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, dual zone AC, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, traction control. This RAV4 Hybrid has all the features you want and need. Don't miss out. You should be the one to drive it off the lot. We pride ourselves on outstanding customer service. Come in for a test drive and let us take excellent care of you.